So today I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on your Mac. Now this is very simple and all you need is your Mac's keyboard. So you need a button combination which is Command, Shift and 3. So we have Command button, we have the Shift button and then number 3. And so all you have to do is press those 3 buttons simultaneously. So Command, Shift and 3. That takes a screenshot, and you can even hear the screenshot. It's going to take a screenshot, save it on your desktop like that. You'll see a thumbnail momentarily before it gets saved onto the desktop. So let's do that again. So Command Shift 3. So 3 buttons at the same time. That takes a screenshot of the entire screen. Now, if you want to take a screenshot of only a portion of the screen, then you press Command Shift and 4. Okay, so once again, Command Shift 4. Instead of 3, this time we press 4. So Command Shift and 4. And once you do that, you'll notice your mouse will turn into crosshairs. I'm sure you can see this clearly. So that's crosshairs. And with these crosshairs, all you have to do now is take your mouse, press and hold the left mouse button, and then drag over the area you want to screenshot. So let's say, for instance, I want to capture this middle part of the screen. I'll just press and hold the left mouse button and then draw over the area I want to capture in my screenshot, and then release. That's going to capture that screenshot. Okay, again, it's going to get a thumbnail in the bottom right corner and then eventually get saved to my desktop. So this is the previous one of the entire screen. You can see that's what that looks like. And then if we look at this one, which is a portion of the screen, that's what that looks like. Okay, so that is basically how to capture screenshots on your Mac. And this works on all Macs, the iMac, the Mac Minis, Mac Studios, the MacBook. Doesn't really matter as long as it's a Mac running Mac OS. That's how you capture screenshots. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.